With the 2024 U.S. presidential election approaching, a likely Trump versus Harris face-off is shaping investment opportunities. Subscribe for more investment tips leading up to the election. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Polls show Trump leading, and his pro-business policies could have a massive impact, especially in the energy sector, where explosive growth is expected. Under Trump's administration, increased energy production could fuel the next phase of the AI revolution, which relies on massive power-hungry data centers. Trump's administration is expected to prioritize the drill strategy, leading to gains in energy and related sectors. Below are 5 top stock picks for the Trump boom. Top 5 stocks to buy if Trump wins. 1. Schlumberger, SLB. As the world's largest offshore drilling company, Schlumberger is set for major growth. It has strong revenue and earnings, which are poised to increase further under a pro-energy administration. 2. Liberty Energy, LBRT. A key player in U.S. oil production, Liberty Energy specializes in fracking services. A Trump administration support for fracking will drive significant gains for Liberty. 3. Cheniere Energy, LNG. The leading U.S. exporter of liquefied natural gas, LNG. Cheniere stands to benefit from a friendlier energy export policy, positioning itself for robust growth. 4. Dorian LPG, LPG. Dorian operates a fleet of gas carriers and is already seeing impressive earnings. An energy-friendly Trump administration will further accelerate its success. 5. Weatherford International, WWFRD. This global oilfield services company, with expertise in drilling and fracking, has seen its stock soar. With regulatory barriers lifted, Weatherford is primed for even more explosive growth. Investment strategy, stocks to buy, if Kamala Harris wins. If Kamala Harris wins the presidency, her focus on regulation, progressive taxation, green energy, and healthcare reforms could shift market dynamics. Although the markets might initially react with volatility, several sectors are expected to benefit from her policies. Top stock picks for a Harris presidency. 1. Regulation, unionized industrial stocks. Stronger regulations could impact tech and energy, but union-backed industrial companies are well-positioned to thrive. Caterpillar Inc., CAT. This global industrial leader complies with labor and regulatory standards, making it a solid bet in a more regulated environment. Deere & Company, DE. Deere's strong union presence and commitment to regulatory compliance position it for continued success. 2. Taxes. Municipal bonds. Harris's push for higher corporate taxes could lead investors toward tax-exempt bonds. Vanguard. Tax-exempt bond, ETF, VTEB. A top choice for shielding gains from higher tax rates. iShares, National Muni Bond ETF, MUB. A leading ETF offering tax-free income and protection from increased taxes. 3. Green energy, solar, natural gas, and EV stocks. As a strong advocate for climate change initiatives, Harris would boost renewable energy and clean energy sectors. Brookfield Renewable Partners, BEP. A leader in hydroelectric, wind, and solar power, positioned to grow with clean energy investments. NextEra Energy, NEE. This clean energy giant is heavily invested in solar and wind infrastructure, set to thrive under Harris's policies. 4. Healthcare providers. Harris's focus on expanding healthcare access could benefit healthcare providers, while intermediaries may face challenges. United Health Group, UNH. Likely to benefit from expanded access to healthcare services through public policy reforms. CVS Health Corporation, CVS. Positioned to gain from policy changes and increased healthcare initiatives. 5. Trade and foreign policy emerging markets. Harris's multilateral trade approach could stabilize industries reliant on international trade, particularly in emerging markets. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, EEM. Offers exposure to emerging markets, benefiting from improved trade policies. Vanguard, FTSE Emerging Markets ETF, VWO. Another strong ETF providing access to emerging markets, likely to gain under Harris's trade policies. Conclusion: plan for market movements. Both Trump and Harris present opportunities in different sectors. With Trump, the energy sector and AI infrastructure are primed to surge. In contrast, Harris will likely drive growth in green energy, healthcare, and industrial stocks tied to regulatory compliance. Action steps for investors. For Trump's victory, focus on the energy and fracking sectors, with stocks like Schlumberger, Liberty Energy, and Weatherford International. For Harris victory, look into green energy, healthcare, and unionized industrial stocks like Brookfield Renewable Partners, United Health Group, and Caterpillar.